nyame adoma mu kokumase na yebe kokumase ankasa na mbeze mbusa o multi search committee to go and look for a new coach and amode 2nd February as deadline for submission of resume and applications eba second etwam na mpacho mbeze mu empempenso a search committee no omo adwuma akwakoduru sabre aye kasei.
Okay, 2nd February now, last week Friday.
That's right.
The last week Friday was the deadline for submission of applications. This is say, Obia or interested or person or the next coach of the Black Stars. Who is serious in Kwanzaa? By Friday, I train me. Now I was submitted your CV and your credentials to the search committee. I know they have had series of meetings, but independent body, some of their engagements
private
will be private until they come out with their report. Until I know, yes, as we speak, they are working. Some meetings have taken place, and nipa jumano so nipa omudimu, and they will be able to work in a very good stead to present us at least candidates are able to me consider almost for Ejumano. Almost 3 weeks. Pardon me for yang because I am not part of the ESCO, but once I speak for the FA, I try to put myself in that position. ESCO no almost 3 weeks. Now what the second week of Ejuma we be close of next week, will be the final week and was Ejuma and now almost submitting report to the executive council. Once they submit their report to the executive council, then the ESCO will carry on and send the report to the ministry for consideration. The umpires and say we be by close of February there. Now in coach will take it over the reins of your Black Stars, Said you be reconstructed team. No, now you sign the team. No be simple. So you feel say was you drew no. You be twasso. Na fe ya shasi ni ya say Jumana. It is working, and I am sure very very soon. No, reporter the mama ESCO no. Omu Juma. Yeah, the baba bontina ubiye ubebia. Yedru.
Right. You know, sir, in the sporting wisdom of FNO and omode a year criteria on the pay on coach no ever two. I want to go into specifics. Also on pay coach our coachy with the highest football license in the world with 15 years football experience. Now Osai proven track record in team construction, organization and development of young talents. Yene technical member didn't come over Hanomwa. Also, I drink and say, see a coin is searching world's highest coaching license, any 15 years coaching experience. Now, is a ye do now, Suswanka, umbe potential coaches no so atun chayum, and Afik Punkrano. So 15 years in the highest license, and yes, guarantee for success. Into the internet, what they call Chinchina Hosa.
Well, let's call a spade. Let's call a spade a spade. Sabi. Ubin to me. Nana oti konso yetia oye jume. To me sorry nkoko libusa oye doctor.
Debbie.
And yeah possible. And now, me I mean to me no say. I have an engineering background, but me the last time come practice here. In to me sorry nko engineers and planners all me contract. Na me nko construct road ewo takwa. Ana Suboy Junction, and I say Amanasi bus station. Mean to me yet. So at the end of the day, you are looking for quality. Obia or Jimmy who did Bia or Nimse or where Jumani Bia or Bitmaya Jumani Bia must come with a certain level of experience, first of all. And experience, And yes, I was sorry I can know your experience. Experience in football can be in administration before you become a coach. Can be in you can serve in different capacities and son or be a coach. Internet has a football experience. Then has a coaching experience. And it is an industry. There were different facets of the industry. Or serving in different capacities. You are in a good stead to gather the experience we are looking for. The second one, service in Pediasa, and I am no say, Obia or person or aspire to the top in coaching. The first thing you need to look at are your badges. Some of them gather their badges when they are playing. But Senia, Ghana, yet group and so yet group in football. No? Yen to me sign a team kofa Obia keke. Se ome lidi your national team. Nana, enye under 17, enye under 20, enye black princess, enye black maidens, enye the black stars of Ghana. Nipa obubo fu okromo nyina ne se your national team A ako tournament ako gu yanimase. If the national team A ako tournament ako gu yanimase, aye enunti ye buofu ye kasa ye niabre ye dia ye ni nyina, it means you must aspire for the best. In the requirements now pending for the go, it is to aspire for the best and not to deny anybody the opportunity to coach the team. So if you believe you are the best, then you must come for the best. Me kama obia say it is not to deny a coach bia or fantiakwa say or license C and license B, but or experience into or no bit me man. No, we are looking for the best for the national team, and in looking for the best, you must look out for what is rated as the highest, the pinnacle in the industry. I mean, can I say you must either be a pro license holder, even okay, Nana.
Kwesi.
Say I'm no say. So when you CAF license A holder, untumi coach any football club or participate in any CAF sanctioned competition.
Yes, sir.
The new CAF coaching chapter Omdeaba. Again, so we do Europe now in UEFA pro license holder, untumi coach any European club or compete and any national team or compete in any UEFA sanctioned competition. If in Africa you must be a CAF license A holder, now in Europe you must be a UEFA pro license holder. Now you must have the highest certificate to be able to coach the Black Stars. How is it an issue? I don't think it is an issue. That is the basic requirement. Because Black Stars bench, aside being experienced, you must also hold the requisite license to be able to practice, both in Africa, in Europe, and in other places, as required by regulations.
Hello.
Nana Mpacho Nuao.
Okay, Zibacho. And they say, MCOC February ending there. Nienya the officer committee ni de bar Ghana phone na ni beje ho.
Yes, I believe that committee ewo nipa nimdifo a omo eye adwuma no from the chairman to the vice chairman. I mean, what I am excited about is say the government agency are responsible for the emolument or remuneration of the coach, so fully involved because the chief director of the Ministry of Youth and Sports, ECA committee, into a ban of compensation, a ban of salary issues near there. At least he has a lot to contribute in that area. Professor Joseph Minta, who played a key role in putting the football DNA document together also the technical directorate, and he is in charge of coach education. Or the technical directorate, also come. Yawo nimdifo omudimu kojo diamonds ammonia there omunyina work committee no so, and I'm sure they will balance emotions with the public demand and the perception as well. And that is a social contribution from unknown side, aside being a technocrat. And then, of course, the vice president will also come in with the FA angle, having seen what transpired in both Qatar and Cote d'Ivoire, or the FA angle, no, ever into play. I think we have people of different backgrounds and diverse backgrounds. A bit to me, to the best of our knowledge, a bit to me, once they are done with their work and they present their report, we will then have to take it to the next level by engaging the ministry for the financial issues. The ministry, Asante Twum, na minister, present report to government, na government also, Asante Twum will be in a better position to then make an official or formal statement as to Nipa will be taking over the reins of the team. Yema will be by close of this month. I'm sure, sir. So all the stakeholders will be engaged, and we will have a coach in charge of the team going forward.
Right now.